Welcome to the Confidence Edit. I am Gabriella, your guide to all things beauty. Today, let's talk about a skincare essential, the nighttime routine. Your nighttime skincare routine is just as important as your daytime routine, maybe even more so. You see, while you sleep, our skin is working hard on repairing and rejuvenating itself. And that's why it's the perfect time to give it some extra TLC. By sticking to a nighttime routine, you're not only replenishing lost moisture, but you're also helping your skin repair itself and tackle concerns such as fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and even acne. See, here's the cool part. Our skin is like a sponge at night, soaking up all those active ingredients that we've slathered on, making them even more effective. So whether you're into hydrating serums, nourishing moisturizers, or potent treatments, a solid nighttime routine is the key to keeping your skin feeling and looking its best. And here's something I'm sure you didn't know. The skin is more absorbent at night, which means the active ingredients can penetrate more effectively. The enhanced absorption allows the actives to work their magic even more effectively while you sleep. So consistently using targeted treatments containing vitamins, antioxidants, such as retinoids or peptides, is like providing your skin with a shield against free radical change. So not only that, but these ingredients also stimulate collagen production, preventing premature aging and leaving you with a healthy, radiant complexion. Now, let's talk about why starting a skincare routine early is essential. As creatures of habit, the earlier we begin, the more likely it is to become ingrained in our daily routines. And that's why establishing a consistent nighttime skincare routine from a young age not only lays the foundation for healthy skin, but also cultivates lifelong habits that contribute to your overall well-being. So starting a skincare routine early allows us to experience the long-term benefits, including improved skin texture, tone, and the ability to withstand and recover from stressors. Plus, it's never too early to prioritize self-care and invest in your skin's health. So whether you're a skincare beginner or a seasoned enthusiast, there is no better time than now to start a nighttime skincare routine and set yourself up for a lifetime of healthy habits. And remember, establishing a nighttime skincare routine doesn't necessarily entail incorporating potent active ingredients at a young age. Similar to the nightly habits of brushing teeth, taking care of one's skin should be ingrained regardless of age. This routine can include a range of products tailored to your individual skin's needs. Also age, lifestyle, and environmental factors. From gentle cleansers and hydrating moisturizers to occasional treatments like masks or serums, the key is consistency and diligence to what your skin requires. By developing this habit early on, you not only prioritize self-care, but also lay the groundwork for a lifetime of healthy skincare practices, adapting and evolving your routine as your skin's needs change over time. Now, let's explore the first step in your nighttime skincare routine, cleansing. This pivotal step lays the foundation for healthy skin by eliminating SPF, makeup residue, environmental impurities, excess oil, and other debris accumulated throughout the day. Cleansing not only prevents clogged pores, breakouts, and bacterial buildup, but it also promotes optimal skin health. So by cleansing your skin before bed, you're not just laying the groundwork for your skincare products to perform their best, you're also giving it a chance to refresh and renew by enabling it to breathe and regenerate overnight. So prioritizing cleansing in your nighttime routine isn't just about cleansing your skin, it's about laying the foundation for a brighter, healthier complexion and establishing a habit for a successful skincare regimen. Here's the deal. I'm a big believer in the double cleanse routine, especially at night. It's like hitting the reset button for your skin after a long day. So, what's the double cleansing all about? Essentially, it means washing your face twice with a facial cleanser. And if you've been sporting SPF or a full face of makeup, starting with a micellar water can be a game changer to wipe away all that buildup before diving into your double cleanse. So whether you prefer to keep it consistent with one cleanser for both washes or mix things up with two different ones, the choice ultimately depends on your skin type and your specific needs. Personally, I start with a gentle foaming cleanser for my initial cleanse, and then I follow with a brightening and hydrating cleanser to improve my skin's natural glow. While many of us are used to washing our faces in the shower, I used to be guilty of that myself, it's worth to reconsider this habit for one important reason. The skin on our bodies can tolerate warmer temperatures better, The hot water in the shower can be quite harsh on our delicate facial skin. So when exposed to hot water, our skin's natural oils are stripped away, leading to dryness, irritation, and potentially even worsening certain skin conditions. This disruption in the skin's natural moisture balance can compromise its protective barrier, leaving it more vulnerable to environmental aggressors and moisture loss. Instead, I recommend washing your face at the sink using lukewarm water. This temperature is gentler on your skin, preserving its natural moisture and pH balance. Washing your face at the sink allows you to have more control over the water temperature, ensuring that it's ideal for your delicate facial skin. Incorporating this simple adjustment into your skincare routine can result in significant benefits for the long-term health and appearance of your skin. So the next time you're tempted to wash your face in the shower, consider giving your skin the extra care it deserves by washing it at the sink with lukewarm water. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Next in line is the treatment phase. Serum, serum, serum. This step puts serums in the spotlight. And while I'm a fan of layering, it's important to approach it strategically. It's not just about applying any serum in any order. There's an art to it, and it revolves around the textures. So picture your skincare routine like layering different fabrics, but for your skin. So you have the lightweight serums, you have the thicker ones, and everything in between. The secret? Begin with the lightest texture and progress to the thick ones. This ensures that each serum fully absorbs, maximizing its effectiveness. So before diving into layering, take a moment to appreciate the texture and allow each serum the time it needs to work its magic. So for me, simplicity equals consistency. That's why I stick to my 2 serums that address all my concerns and are proven effective. By simplifying my routine, I ensure that even on those tired days when all I want to do is to collapse into bed, I stay committed to my skincare regimen. Now, let's clarify. An eye cream is not just another version of your facial moisturizer. The skin around your eyes demands a different approach. It's delicate. In fact, it's the thinnest of our entire face. And because of its delicate nature, it requires specialized care that regular moisturizers simply can't provide. Eye creams are formulated to address the unique needs of our eye area. They contain a blend of ingredients tailored to combat concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. Eye creams often feature targeted ingredients such as peptides, antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid to address specific issues like puffiness, sagging, and loss of firmness around the eyes. Their lightweight texture ensures quick absorption without causing irritation. Lastly, eye creams provide essential hydration to the dry, delicate skin around the eyes, helping to maintain its moisture balance and prevent the formation of fine lines. By incorporating an eye cream into your skincare routine, you can effectively address these concerns and maintain the health and vitality of your delicate eye area. Now, when it comes to applying eye cream, there is one golden rule to remember. Be gentle. So reach for your ring finger or use an applicator if your eye cream comes with it, and delicately pat the cream into the skin, avoiding any harsh tugging or pulling as the skin around our eyes is easily prone to irritation. By treating our eye area with the care it deserves, we minimize the risk of causing any unnecessary damage and ensure that our eyes remain bright, youthful, and radiant. So, in conclusion, an eye cream is without doubt a skincare essential, especially in our nighttime routine. It may be a small step, but its impact is mighty. It's the key to maintaining that youthful, bright-eyed appearance. You know it, the next step is the moisturizer. Why is a moisturizer essential? Well, think of it as the ultimate sealant for all the goodness you just applied to your skin. Not only does it lock in those potent ingredients, but it also plays a role in maintaining your skin's hydration levels throughout the night. A moisturizer acts as a protective barrier, shielding your skin from environmental stressors and preventing moisture loss. So in essence, it's the cherry on the top of your skincare routine, ensuring that your skin stays nourished, hydrated, and protected while you sleep. While environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays may be less concerning at night when you're indoors and asleep, factors such as dry air from heating or air conditioning in your room, even the humidity levels and exposure to allergens or irritants in your bedroom can still impact your skin's health. This is why incorporating a moisturizer into your nighttime skincare routine is important. It helps counteract these potential stressors by keeping your skin hydrated and protected while you sleep. Last but not least, let's give some well-deserved attention to our lips, hands, and feet during our nighttime routine. It's the perfect time to show these often neglected areas some extra care. Nourish your lip with a hydrating mask to combat dryness, and especially as they tend to lose moisture as we age. And treat your hardworking hands to a luxurious treatment, and don't forget the feet. They're your sturdy foundation of mobility, so keep them soft and smooth by regularly applying a rich foot cream and gently buffing away dry skin. By prioritizing the care of your lips, hands, and feet in our nighttime routine, we not only ensure their health and vitality, but also promote a sense of relaxation and self-care that can contribute to our overall well-being. A nighttime skincare routine is essential because it allows our skin to undergo its natural repair and rejuvenation process while we sleep. So during the night, our skin is not exposed to environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays, enabling it to focus on repairing and replenishing itself. By following our consistent nighttime routine, we can provide our skin with the nourishment and hydration it needs to recover from a day's damage and prepare for the challenges ahead. Remember, active ingredients in skincare products are more effectively absorbed during the night, maximizing their benefits. A nighttime skincare routine helps promote healthy, radiant skin and contributes to your overall well-being. So whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your current routine, creating a realistic nighttime skincare regimen is essential for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. From choosing the right cleanser to incorporating targeted treatments and moisturizer, every step plays a role in nurturing your skin while you sleep. That wraps up today's video discussing the importance of a nighttime skincare routine. We'd love to hear about your own nighttime routine and which products have made a significant difference for you. Share your experiences in the comments below, and if you need any assistance or guidance in crafting your ideal nighttime skincare routine, do not hesitate to reach out. I am here to support you in reaching your skincare goals and achieving your best and healthiest skin ever. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on all things beauty. Until next time.